This is photovoltaic cell experiment. Emitter positive connected with this positive, and voltmeter positive connected with this, and this wire is solar cell wire, and this wire is connected with each other between the plates. Okay, now this voltmeter connected with this minus sign, and this voltmeter connected with this plus sign, and this plus is connected with this ammeter. Ammeter minus sign is connected with RL, and RL is connected with solar cell minus. Then all expect this solar cell is fixed on 50, and this plate is away far. Now this is whole setup is down. Now AC. Now slide this plate to the solar cell from the solar cell, and see the readings which are higher or greater at that point. As usually readings is greater, but now at this point this will be greater reading is 18.
नहीं पीछे हाँ.
Because if we move this plate towards the solar cell or away from the solar cell, it readings will be destroyed.
मतलब ऐसी रीडिंग है, मतलब जहाँ पे ना बढ़ रहा हो ना घट रहा हो ज़्यादा.
नहीं
तो
ऐसी रीडिंग जहाँ पे आने के बाद वो कांस्टेंट हो जाए रीडिंग, उसके अगर हम आगे करें तो घटे और पीछे करें तो बढ़े.
अच्छा.
ये आ गई 80, और इधर वोल्टेज दिखा, वोल्टेज इज 0.99. बिकॉज इफ वी मूव द दिस प्लेट for the solar cell and away for the solar cell, then this reading will be changed. So at a fixture reading, at a higher reading is 18, and 18
The maximum
is,
reading is 18.
Yes, maximum reading is 18, and voltage maximum reading is 0.99. Then this will be our first reading. Yes, 0.27.
27 कैसे?
But this resistance is 0 and 0. This resistance is no more at the time. So we will fix at 100 ohm. Now we take the readings of 100 ohm. But in
तो
our
10 की ली थी ना?
notebooks, no,
भैया ये मैक्सिमम रीडिंग है, ये आ रही है 250 के लिए.
तो 250 ohm ये फिक्स करना है इसमें for second reading.
हाँ.
Now for CP1 means plate first के लिए एरिया हमें दिया होता है, ये कैलकुलेट करना है केवल. This into this we get the area, and then again we continuous the first table as usual. There's voltage is higher or current is higher, then note down the readings, and then again we get a power. Again simply 5 readings continuously,